Omuhwezi wa mukuru w'ihanga retired Major Jessica Alupo orekire President Museveni omu bigambo byasiimira University ya Kabale ahabw'okweyoreka nk'ey'omugasho omu kwegyesa abantu omu bya sayansi eby'oburambuzi hamwe n'ebya tekinologi. Azira ngu entunguka ya University egi neetenga munonga mu kutunguura emyuga y'abantu n'okutunguura ihanga.
I have noted from his report that many achievements have been reached during his tenure. I thank you for your service to the country, not only at Kabale University, but also in the different capacities, i.e. in the academia, in politics, etc. Kabale University continues to make a significant contribution to the development of the human resources in Uganda. The university has distinguished itself by providing professional training in priority areas such as science education, agriculture, engineering, tourism, information technology, etc. The growth is propelled by the necessity of producing graduates with the requisite skills and competencies to address societal needs.
Chancellor Chikire asimira habwo kurondwa nka chancellor kandi araganise kugumiza munakora ha bintu by'omwebembezi w'owira yakozire kandi asemeye President Museveni ahabwo obwebembezi bwe buri kugumizamu kandi agambira hantaro za NRA nk'entaro z'omutano muri Africa.
I see Kabale University emerging and developing as the leading institution among the universities in this part of the Great Lakes region, including Rwanda, DRC, Congo, and even Tanzania. I intend to discuss and to develop this idea with the university leadership so that we can prepare a comprehensive proposal to government with the aim of securing resources to operationalize this challenge.
Oriyo muhwezi wa chancellor habwa university egi ashoborire muno bagezaho munonga omukisiyo buhereze mu ihango mu byobwegesi.
From your profile, sir, you have enjoyed community roots reflecting vision, sacrifice, and identity. This relates well with the vision of the founders of Kabale University. Your public service and national responsibilities augur well with the mandate of the public university which you will now steer ahead. We also believe that your entrepreneurial experience and interests will spill over to the university community.
Ashoborire kubine bimwe habizube biri kubateganisa ebiri kwetengwa korwaho nuko byo buhereza bugendo mu misho.
I hope you have taken many of those pictures.
Our development budget line is still meager. In addition, the presidential pledges of 2016 of 47 billion are yet to be fulfilled. Despite the above, we have over the past 5 years achieved several key infrastructures. We have 2 buildings across up on the hill which we have completed.
Omukoro go gushyirwaho abantu binji abarimo abebembezi b'amadini hamwe n'abandi binji gasha kwa Nelson Ahimbisubwe.